I know you're somewhere out there, somewhere far away. I want you I want
Hi everyone and welcome back to another episode of All About Real Estate. In today's episode, we will be talking about Sri Ram's Chopping Groves. Before we get into that, I would like to talk a little bit about the Sri Ram Group.
Where do memories live? Where does warmth curl up? Where do you belong? For most of us, the answer is home. A home that we love coming back to. We all articulate this emotion of coming home in a unique way, in the words we use every time we step out of home. At Sri Ram Properties, we create sensible homes that live in you even after you leave home. By staying rooted in sensibility, we reach our goals. By knowing better, we bring greater delight. By creating bonds, we foster trust. Through best practices, we ensure best results.
Sri Ram Properties is one of the leading residential real estate development companies in South India, focused primarily on mid-market as well as affordable housing. Established in 1974, the 60,000 crores Sri Ram Group is one of the most respected and diversified conglomerates in India. Founded by R. Thiagarajan, an industrialist and Padma Bhushan holder. Today, Sri Ram Properties has built over 8.52 million square feet of properties and delivered 4,883 units and firmly established its place in the hearts and minds of its customers and its partners. It is said that values shape destiny. At Sri Ram Properties, values is one constant that will never change. Here are a few establishments of Sri Ram Properties in India. Sri Ram Properties has established their presence in Bangalore, Chennai, Coimbatore, Kolkata and Vizag. Located in Sarjapur, Bangalore, Chopping Woods aims to bring back nature into your life. With large windows that overlook the home, Life Insignia is all about enjoying the views around the home. With just 4 homes per floor and abundant greenery, Suhana is all about refined luxury. It's said, 3 things are important while buying a home: location, location and location, which is what Samiksha is all about. Set in 80 acres overlooking the Bay of Bengal, Panorama Hills is truly life as it should be. A perennial lake, a Nakshatra Vana and 2 clubhouses, now that's what is called living an abundant life. A 314-acre township, Sonar Bangla, will be self-contained city within a city, offering residence and international lifestyle. Now let's talk about why should you invest in Sri Ram's Chopping Grove. Sri Ram's Chopping Grove is constructed over a 12-acre of land space with abundant amount of open space and lush greenery. The project provides spacious homes that are spread over high-rise elegant towers, namely ebony, oak and ivory, attracting sufficient amount of fresh light and natural air. The project is placed strategically in the most prominent areas of Sarjapur Road, East Bangalore, with an outstanding accessibility to all the required civic amenities. Project location will be at a close distance to workstations, schools, colleges, hospitals, industries and IT hubs, making it the most desired residential hotspots of the city. The first tower, Ebony, comprises of 1,859 square feet of saleable area and 1,375 square feet of carpet area. The second tower, Oak, comprises of 2,209 square feet of saleable area and 1,710 square feet of carpet area. The third tower, Ivory, comprises of 2,627 square feet of saleable area and 1,191 square feet of carpet area. At Sri Ram Properties, every project is a labor of love and it has been awarded as the best developer in the southern region by Assocham. Amenities at Shriram's Chopping Grove covers community amenities like a clubhouse, health and fitness amenities inclusive of swimming pool, kids pool, indoor games, tennis court, badminton court, and lifestyle amenities like a yoga room, aerobics room, and a cricket pitch. If you wish to invest in Shriram's Chopping Grove, feel free to contact the Yes Property team for best offers, virtual as well as offline site visits, group deals, and for any other requirements. That will be all for today's video. Thank you for staying tuned with us, and I hope you found this video helpful. I will see you all again in another episode of All About Real Estate. Till then, stay safe.